Are you tired of expensive creams that don't fix your digestion? True beauty after 50 starts deep inside your gut. Today, I will share a secret detox drink for glowing skin. This simple recipe boosts collagen and clears your skin naturally. Scientific studies show that a healthy gut creates a youthful face. Watch until the end to see the transformation yourself. Stay tuned for the ultimate natural beauty formula. Ever wondered why your skin looks dull even with expensive serums? The answer lies in your digestive system. Medical experts call this the gut-skin axis. When your gut is clean, your skin reflects that health. After 50, our body needs extra help to remove toxins. A study in the Journal of Dermatology confirms this link. Let's start with our first powerful ingredient, fresh ginger. Ginger reduces inflammation and helps your stomach digest food better. Next, we add vitamin C from fresh lemons. Vitamin C is essential for building natural collagen in your skin. You are finding these tips helpful? Please subscribe to Wellness Path Podcast. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more natural health secrets. Now, let's talk about a superfood for your gut, flaxseeds. Flaxseeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats keep your skin hydrated and plump from within. Research shows omega-3 south can even reduce fine lines over time. Mix these with warm water to create a soothing morning elixir. This drink wakes up your metabolism and starts the detox process. It's like a natural internal shower for your organs. Your skin will thank you for this refreshing start every morning. The detox drink is just the beginning of your beauty journey. What you eat throughout the day matters just as much. Include leafy greens like spinach and kale in your lunch. They are packed with chlorophyll and antioxidants for cell repair. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, antioxidants protect your skin. Berries are another miracle food for women over 50. Blueberries and strawberries fight the free radicals that cause aging. For snacks, choose a crisp apple or a handful of almonds. Apples provide fiber to keep your digestion moving smoothly. Almonds contain vitamin E, which acts as a natural sunblock from inside. Now, let's talk about the power of gentle movement. You don't need intense gym workouts to look younger. A 15-minute brisk walk every morning improves blood circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen reaches your skin cells. Yoga poses like the downward dog help rush blood to your face. This creates a natural, healthy flush that no makeup can mimic. Stretching also helps your lymphatic system drain away toxins. Medical studies suggest that active people have thicker, more elastic skin. Consistency with these small habits is the key to real change. Your body is a garden that needs daily care to bloom. To truly complete your transformation, let's talk about safe supplements. After 50, our body's natural collagen production slows down significantly. Collagen peptide powder can be a great addition. Look for supplements that are third-party tested for purity. Probiotics are another essential for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. The National Institutes of Health highlights how probiotics support skin health. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement routine. Hydration is the final, most important step for that glass skin look. Drink at least 8 glasses of filtered water throughout the day. You can add cucumber slices to your water for extra silica. Silica is a trace mineral that strengthens your skin and hair. Avoid sugary drinks that can cause inflammation and breakouts. Combine your detox drink, healthy meals, and water for the best results. Beauty is not just about how you look, but how you feel. When your digestion is light, your energy levels will soar. You will notice a brighter complexion in just 2 weeks of consistency. Nature has provided everything we need to age gracefully and beautifully. Commit to this path and watch your inner light shine through. Your journey to a healthier, more radiant self starts today. Believe in the power of natural healing and your own body's wisdom. Thank you for watching Wellness Path Podcast today. Start your detox journey tomorrow morning and feel the difference. If you enjoyed these tips, please give this video a thumbs up. Share your results in the comments below. I love hearing your stories. For more natural beauty and health secrets, watch this next video. Take care of your health, and your beauty will follow. I will see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay beautiful.